Hello everyone. I'm just coming on really quickly to announce I'm going to start a cal on my Ravelry page, and I've never had a cal before, so it was just born out of the idea that I wanted to use up some scraps, and I was thinking, what can I, and some of the scraps are not soft yarn, they're really nice whole hand dyed, what do you call the skeins? No. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember, you know how they're twisted skein? Anyways, but it's like really rugged, tough material. I don't know why I even bought it, but you know, I guess I just wanted to support the artist, or I like the color or something. But anyways, that's one of the things I want to use. But you can use any scrap yarn. It's going to be, I took a pattern from Bob Wilson 123. It's a free pattern, and they have some really great patterns. Anyways, it's their cluster stitch bag, and it says hat, so I guess in the tutorial I didn't really go through the whole thing, but I know it's simple because I can make it just by looking at it. So, but anyways, I thought it's something really good to use your scraps with, and it's another project bag. It has some use for it. It's not another hat or something, another scarf. It's actually, you know, and if your scraps are wonky looking and old, and you know, you can use your scrappiest of scrappy yarn, and it should look really cute when you're done. So I'm calling it the Scrap Bag Cal, and hopefully you guys will join me, at least some of you, at least one. Like even one or two, I'd be happy. But I just thought, if I'm gonna do it, maybe I'll just host a cal, and you know, we can get some people to do it with us. And so anyways, it's starting on April 22nd, and it's gonna finish on May 31st. And in the thread on Ravelry, I'll put the links below. On the thread on Ravelry, whoever ends up posting their picture of their finished item, then I'm gonna draw, and there'll be a little giveaway just for putting the effort in. So anyways, hopefully you'll join me, and it'll be a lot of fun, and we'll have another project bag. Or, I mean, you can use it for almost anything, really. I could use it to tote my journals around in or something, depending on how it comes out. Anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to announce this cal that's going to be on Ravelry. I'm going to put a link below. And just a side note, I just did this video with a girlfriend of mine that came down from across the country to visit, and I don't know what happened to the video, but after, when I was looking at it, it was all jumpy and I couldn't even put it. She was in the video when I introduced her. I was so disappointed, but sorry, Corinne. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. And I just wanted to do one shout out to a YouTuber, a crochet YouTuber. Her name is Dina. Dina's Homespun Fun. Pretty sure that's what her channel's called. She is so adorable. I love watching her. She's just so casually open. She makes me laugh. Like some of the things she says, and she doesn't even realize it that she's funny, I don't think. But anyways, yeah, I love her videos, and her projects, and all her comments about different things. It's funny. Anyways, if you guys want to watch somebody that's a joy to watch, and she seems like such a wonderful spirit, her name's Dina at Dina's Homespun Fun. So anyways, just a shout out for her. And anyway, that's about it. And I'll be coming back, you know, in the next couple days, I guess, with my whips and work and completed objects and things. So again, Scrap Bag Cal on Ravelry, link below. Hopefully you guys will join me. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.